Welcome back to Killingworth Level Crossing. The last time we were here was in July 2022. It's been quite a while actually. Not that anything's really changed since our last visit, I just fancied another one.
Are you up for the class 90s?
Yeah.
Oh no, we are.
Yeah. Ooh, we'll have some class 90s, but possibly in the next closure. First up, 11:26 on Saturday the 16th of August 2025. 1 Victor 58, Edinburgh to Plymouth. I don't think we'll get the 90s in this closure, it should just be the Voyager, but we'll soon find out I suppose. Voyager is just up the line, not long been through Crampton. It's a double and all, so I've got no idea which is on the front and which is on the back, but we'll soon find out I suppose, won't we? It's been over 3 years since my last visit, nothing's changed, just fancied another one. I don't remember the closures being this long last time though. I think I managed one that was under 2 minutes. Most of them were at or around 2 minutes anyway. This might make 3 if we're lucky. If we stay for the other one, then possibly 5. Because the other one's not long just been through Manners. We've still got a couple of minutes yet. Right, here's the Voyager. $220.029 and $220.010 for Plymouth, and we're up. Doesn't surprise me. Still got another couple of minutes, but I don't think it'll be long before we're back down again. Literally 20 seconds later, we're straight back down. You knew that was going to happen. And what the point was in putting them up. Right then, 11:29. I can remember its head code because I've completely forgotten it. Bear with me. 0 Zulu 91 from Newcastle to Moss End. Should be the 90s. It's that one. There you are. Just saves me reading it out, doesn't it? I've got the map open on my other, on this phone that I'm filming on, so I can't check it, so I'll just keep looking at real-time trains for now. Even though I do have another one that I use. But according to that, it's just coming up the Benton. Just be a couple of minutes yet. Move slightly closer actually, because we won't see it otherwise. Alright, it's been through Benton, it'll be here in a minute. And we'll be straight up after this because the next train's not until after 11:40. We've got a rail van here now. Here it is. For Moss End. And we'll go up. Right, thanks for joining us from Killingworth. We'll see you next time.